For lightning-fast inflation that also saves your breath, our line of pump sacks offers versatile solutions for inflating your sleeping pad. We've designed several styles of pump sacks, the first of which is included with all of our NeoAir sleeping pads. The included polyester sacks come in either a 20 or 30 liter version with drawstring closures to store your gear while you're out on the trail. If you're looking for extra water protection, we teamed up with our friends at Seal Line to create the Blocker Light Pump Sack, an ultralight 20-liter pump sack that offers waterproof protection for your gear. Finally, some pump sacks, like the one included with our Mondo King 3D, are built directly into their stuff sack so that you never accidentally leave your pump sack at home. To use a pump sack on your Therm-a-Rest pad, open the valve for inflation and securely connect the pump sack to the valve cap. The pump sack's port will make an audible snap once it is secured to the open valve. Open the pump sack and gently blow into the opening. Once it is filled with air, seal the top and roll it towards the valve, pushing down on the pump sack to inflate the pad. Repeat this process until your pad reaches your desired level of support. Twist the valve clockwise to close the valve. If you find yourself at camp without a pump sack, don't sweat it. Our studies on years of Therm-a-Rest pads have shown that breath inflation is perfectly safe for you and your pad. For more info on our pumps and other sleeping pad accessories, head to thermarest.com.